My name's Thomas Ganane and I'm the Service and Warranty Manager here at Zone RV. Imagine you are planning a major trip to the Kimberley or a lap of Australia. With the National Service Network, you'll be able to plan regular services at trusted service agents along your trip. And if something should require repair, you'll be able to easily see where your next service destination will be. The National Service Centre network is important to Zone RV owners because it provides them with a reliable, trusted place to take their zone for servicing, upgrades and warranty work, no matter where their adventure takes them. Zone RV service centres can offer anything from routine maintenance and repairs to upgrades and warranty services. They're staffed by years of experience in the caravan industry, ensuring your van is in the best hands and your warranty is maintained. Our network is comprised of trained professionals who understand how important your zone is to you and your lifestyle. They have the capability to service and repair your Zone RV to our premium standards, keeping you on the road for longer. If you need warranty work completed, simply follow our online warranty process. The Zone warranty team will then guide you to an approved service centre in an area most convenient for you. Our approved service centres are strategically positioned across Australia so that no matter where you're travelling, you're never too far from help. You can find a full list on our website using our interactive locator through the link below or scan the QR code on the screen. Zone approved service centres have been selected for their strong customer service and quality workmanship. These centres have a direct line to our service and warranty team, ensuring strong communication and the best service possible for our customers. The network adds another layer of support for you. Knowing you have a dedicated service network means you can travel with confidence, and help is always available if you need it. If you need help with other brands such as Cruisemaster or Red Arc, you can also reach out to their national service networks. If you need help with anything on your Zone RV, you can use the Zone RV National Service Network.